My video is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called Avira9. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just show you how damaging this ransomware is, and I will give you some recommendations on how to protect your files in advance. Unfortunately, I cannot help you to recover the files, but I will give you some recommendations on how to look for certain information that will help you to possibly recover the files. You can clearly see that before the ransomware's attack, we are able to open our files without troubles. But regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware called Avira9 may be very easily injected into the computer. So then very soon users realize that their files have been given this Avira9 extension and it is impossible to open the files anymore. The ransomware also reveals this ransom note, indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and start researching the system. The application is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other ransomware type infections. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. So then at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner indeed helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data with this anti-ransomware feature. But Combo Cleaner does not decrypt the files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to actually decrypt the files. So keep this in mind. But in the description to this video, you can find a special link which will give you more detailed information on how to possibly recover your data. So Combo Cleaner works very well in terms of detecting and removing this ransomware, even though it does not decrypt the files. But you can upgrade to Premium, and thus you can fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. And so once again, speaking about file decryption, please find a certain link in the description to this video which will give you more facts about how to possibly recover your data.